we Captivate 6, you can now easily add pretest questions, which will allow you to gauge learners' understanding of the concepts and their skill levels. Let's see how we can add a pretest question in our course here today. Here I have a course on evaluating learning, and I've divided this course into two sections. One is the basic module and the other is the advanced module. Let's see how we can add pretest questions and take the learners to the basic or advanced modules based on the scores they attain in the pretest. I'll go to the first slide, and after this first title slide, I want the pretest questions to appear. So I will go to the quiz menu and select the new option which comes here, which is Pretest Question slide. Click it, and that will allow me to add pretest questions to my course. I will select multiple choice, and I want to add 4 multiple choice questions to my course. I will hit OK, and this will add questions, pretest questions to my course. I have all these 4 questions listed in the film strip. And now, just to save time, I have already populated these questions for you. So here's the file where I have already populated the questions in the course. Now let's see how we can associate the score that the learner attains with the module that he should be presented with. Now on each pretest question, under quiz properties, you will find a new option here which says edit pretest action. So now what Captivate does is, with the pretest question, there is a ready advanced action associated, which is a pretest action. All you have to do is click here and edit it to suit your requirement. In this case, I want the learners to attain at least 70% marks to move to the advanced section. If they don't attain 70% marks, they should be taken through the basic section of the course. Let's see how we can do that using this action and modifying it to suit our needs. Here you see a variable which is CP quiz info pretest score percentage. This variable stores the score percentage the learner attains on attempting the pretest. Now here it says it should be greater than 50, and the action says go to the next slide, else go to the next slide. This is a harmless action and it will not do anything because the then and else action is the same. We need to change this to implement the changes we have thought of. So here for this, I will change the literal value of 50 to 70, and then I want the action of jumping to the advanced section on fulfilling this particular condition. So I'll say jump to slide, and here I have the slide 11 which says advanced module begins. I have labeled it that way. So I select this particular slide, and else it should jump to the basic section. So I will search for where the basic module begins. I will select that slide and my action is ready. So once I update this action is implemented on my course, and now I'm pressing F4 to preview this course and see if it's working properly or not. So here's the preview of the course, and I get the first pretest question. In this scenario, let's fail the test and I'll answer this question incorrectly. I'm submitting the answer. This question as well, I will answer it incorrectly. This one as well. And the fourth question, let me answer it correctly, just to answer one question correctly at a time. So I'm taken to the basic module. I'll hit the next button. That's the second slide, third slide, and it says end of basic module, and I'm taken to the last slide. Let's close it out and preview it once more. I'm pressing F4. Here's the second preview, and this time let me answer all the questions correctly. So for the first question, answer is A, which is formative assessment, and then this one is Option C, and I go to the next one, and the question is whatever, I will just answer it as C. And the fourth one is, the answer is A. I will submit it and it takes me to the advanced section because I answered all the questions correctly. In this way, you can add pretest questions to your courses and create your courses based on the learner's understanding. They do not have to go through unnecessary material and they will get what they want from the course. Thanks for watching this tutorial and do give pretest a try. Thank you.